Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Authentic from the 2020 Wave 1. We have Ben Rhodes Daytona Next Terra Energy 250 car. On the back you can get other race win cars like AJ Allmendinger, Austin Cindric, Kyle Busch's, Truck and Xfinity win. One from Atlanta, one from Circuit of the Americas. Let's get Ben Rhodes out of his box. We have the card with him with the Daytona trophy that he won in the Truck Series. Some information about the race, which he started 23rd. There were 100 laps in total, in which he led 7 laps of the race. So here is Ben Rhodes' 99 truck. And this was the truck he ended up winning with the championship. Well, the truck with. So when we did Ben Rhodes in one of our last videos, he was number 41, and now this one, he's the number 99 car. So he has Bomb Raider with the black 99, the back is black, the trailer is black. A nice grayish paint scheme. He did really well in the 2021 season, and he did win the championship, so I should say that. He drives a Toyota Tundra. The Toyota sign. Nice looking truck for Thor Sport Motorsports. And that will be it. Well guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.